You've probably seen 100 VPN apps. But what about one that runs on SSH and UDP Hysteria, straight from your Android phone? Today, we're looking at a mysterious app that claims to give you a free internet tunnel, and we're going to see if it actually works. I found this app called something like UDP Hysteria or BOLT UDP. It's not on the Play Store, which is our first red flag, but it's a fascinating piece of tech. Let's dive in and see what's going on under the hood. So here's the main screen. It's very simple, almost too simple. We got a big connect button. It shows the connection type is UDP Hysteria, and it's using a config version 1.0.3. A few interesting things to note. First, it gives you a free time limit, almost 3 days. That's generous for a free tier. Second, it has a direct extend 3 hours button, which suggests this might be ad-supported or have some other way to earn revenue. The app also has a logs section, which is great for tech-savvy users. This is where things get really interesting. When I hit connect, the logs tell us exactly what the app is doing. This isn't your typical WireGuard or OpenVPN connection. It starts a tunnel thread and an SSH service on the phone itself. Then it uses a tool called Tun2Socks to redirect all our devices' traffic 0.0.0.0/0, meaning everything through a UDP tunnel. It even specifically routes traffic to Google's DNS servers through the tunnel. Finally, it starts pDNSD, a DNS daemon, to handle domain name lookups securely. And just like that, we get the message, you have internet now. Back on the main screen, the status is now connected. But the big question is it actually working? The data counters still show 0 bytes, which is a bit strange. Let's check our IP address, and it has changed. We are now appearing from a different location. The tunnel is definitely active, and the speeds are decent. Because it's using UDP Hysteria, a protocol designed to overcome network throttling, it might even be faster than some regular VPNs in certain situations. Now, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, trust. This app is not on the Google Play Store. We have no idea who developed it. When you use a VPN, all your internet traffic goes through their servers. You are trusting them with your data. While the technology itself, SSH tunneling and Hysteria, is legitimate and very clever, the implementation here is a black box. It could be perfectly safe, or it could be logging your data. There's just no way for us to know. The app also tries to get you to join a Telegram group or community, which is a common tactic for apps distributed outside official stores. So, final verdict? This app is a fascinating proof of concept. It technically works, and it's impressive to see this level of networking setup on a mobile device. However, because of the massive privacy and security unknowns, I cannot recommend it for daily use. It's a cool tech demo, but stick to reputable, audited VPN services for anything important. What do you think? Would you try an app like this? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this deep dive interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on unusual tech. Thanks for watching.